Consumer Cellular operates on a prepaid system. Forget fixed monthly due dates. Your service continues as long as you have a balance. You'll receive alerts when your balance is low, 50%, 25%, and 5%. If your balance hits zero, you get a 7-day grace period for limited texting, but calls and data will be blocked. To avoid interruptions, keep an eye on your balance via the app or website and reload as needed. Reloads can be as low as $5. Consumer Cellular offers an AutoPay option for automatic reloads, preventing service interruptions. You can set up a recurring reload amount linked to your card or bank account. All plans include taxes and fees within the advertised price, so there are no surprise charges. Unused balances expire after 90 days. International usage will incur extra roaming fees that are disclosed upfront. Digital tools give targeted discounts. No late fees or interest charges are applied.